5 call center metrics myths. Sometimes commonly held beliefs need to be reevaluated. Myth 1. Traditional metrics are adequate enough. Traditional metrics state the facts, but they don't tell you why a certain phenomenon occurs. Here's a real call center example. Traditional key performance indicators such as average handling time and average speed of answer have increased over time, while the call volume stayed at the same level, resulting in a deterioration of service level. Traditional metrics don't uncover underlying drivers of average handling time or average speed of answer, and consequently of service level. Traditional key performance indicators don't explain the root causes. Myth 2. Traditional key performance indicators are adequate. Traditional key performance indicators are captured at 30-minute intervals as averages and then rolled up daily and monthly. At that level of aggregation, they are not only inadequate, they are next to useless. The answer is in the details. For example, building a call duration histogram at individual call level reveals a large population of extremely long calls. Myth 3. A few long calls are not a problem. Even a low level of long calls creates a problem. Over time, long calls effectively reduce the overall throughput of a call center because those agents will be unavailable while they are handling the longer calls. We start with all lines available and throughput is high, but very quickly long calls clog the pipes and your service level decreases. In no time, all agents are assisting other clients and your average handling time and average speed of answer goals are out the window. Myth 4. It's not necessary to drill down into the long calls. To solve the long call problem, it is necessary to drill even deeper into the calls themselves. Detailed analysis of call segments and call monitoring data can now uncover the root causes of long calls. 40% of calls are long due to low call handling effectiveness. 60% of calls are long due to excessive hold times. So from average speed of answer, average handling time, and service level, we drilled down to the individual calls, and then we went even deeper into the calls themselves to determine performance drivers, such as effective call handling and field service scheduling. Myth 5. You have no control over call volume in an inbound call center. Sometimes call volume can be controlled because it is call center originated. Frequently, inbound call centers respond to a company's marketing and collections campaigns. This results directly in a large volume of callbacks. This is because of a shotgun approach to customer segmentation, where surgical precision is what's needed. Again, answers are in detailed analysis. Over 12,000 customers are responsible for greater than 70% of accounts past due more than 2 months. With traditional approach, you would be canvassing 21,000 customers. Segmentation based on greatest yield potential focuses on less than 500 accounts, containing $2 million of accounts past due. With traditional approaches, your focus is on double the accounts for half the value. Better metrics foster better resource utilization and enable implementation of best practice processes by eliminating waste from the system. Performance measurement brings clarity, direction, and sense of urgency. Business intelligence reality at the majority of U.S. businesses today is that of atomized extracts from ERPs, massive use of Excel and Access tools, manual data morphing, and a plethora of non-standard reports, causing discussions on data provenance and accuracy instead of business drivers. Multitude of asynchronous extracts, significant data overlap, manual performance measurement processes, multiple audit points are necessary, KPI computation is not in a closed system, report process is hard to automate, low extensibility to additional data repositories, and the reports themselves are difficult to use. Our approach eliminates the noise. Single ETL procedure is used to extract, transform, and load the data. A library of pre-developed KPIs accelerates performance assessment processes. Closed systems ensure integrity of KPI computation. Underlying database is optimized for ease of reporting and analysis. The architecture is flexible, and that it can be expanded to include different BUs, geographies, etc. So how exactly does Clarity help? Measure the performance drivers. Measure and analyze. Produce actionable metrics. Integrate institutional knowledge. Prioritize. Improve, implement change, track progress towards goals, communicate. Control, set targets, measure performance gaps, take action. Define, determine the facts, define the vision, deploy the resources. Understanding performance drivers is the key to identifying opportunities for improvement. Taking action based on facts is the key to achieving excellence.